All right, everybody. Brent Sunny here with Redfin again over here in Commerce City at some new construction. Look at this one. Got the white paint with the dark brick. And then check this out. Your mailbox is right there. So you just walk out of the front door, grab your mail. But let's head in. Again, it's snowing today. Picked the wrong days. It's been sunny for 3 weeks. I picked the day it started snowing. But we've got a almost 2,500 square foot new construction, move-in ready, 3-bed, I believe 3-bath. We'll count them out as we go here, and an office here. So you walk in, and again, seeing a lot of this from the builders, these offices right as you walk in on the left-hand side here. And got a half bath in here, coat closet, and this one open concept here. Got the fireplace and the mantle, really nice. Open concept. Let's check out the backyard. So I don't know what road that is, I forgot, but it's not too bad. Decent sized yard. And then look at this huge island, quartz countertops. You got the white cabinets with the black handles. Oh, gas stove. And then check out that backsplash. Really nice there. And then huge pantry. I mean, huge. And this one's just over 600K, move-in ready, as I said. Got a little closet here. Got your water heater there. There's no basement, but it looks like probably on a subfloor there. And 2-car garage. Pretty tall. You could do some storage and whatnot up there. So, and same thing, builders offering some great incentives for lending, rate buy down, closing costs, all that stuff. So head up here. You've got a nice loft area, or maybe a second office, or that other room downstairs, maybe bedroom. Switch it with the office here. You've got a nice size bedroom, and then full bath here. Well, they did quartz up here too. Full bath. Yeah, let's see. Got your laundry room here. Oop. Second bedroom. And then you've got the primary here. This room is huge. Again, seeing that trend with the primary bedrooms. Got the ensuite bath, dual sinks. And this one just has stand-in shower. No tub, closet, toilet, walk-in closet here. So again, these are all move-in ready to, I mean, this is it. We can get you in fairly quickly. Great incentives from the builder and their lender. Yeah, and there's quite a few homes over here. Again, Commerce City, we're right around the 600K range here. And yeah, feel free to reach out. Stay tuned for some more videos. Thanks again.